Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be painting a very simple piece. It's gonna be white fence and a flower bush. So I'm using acrylic wash, which is fantastic for painting foliage. It's just so much easier to control the paint, and I really like the matte-ness of the texture when it dries. So first I'm going to start with the background. On the top part, I'm going to use cobalt blue, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of titanium white in the middle. So right now it's just very rough. What I want to do is I just want to cover the whole canvas, and below I'm going to add a little bit of purple mixed with cobalt blue and titanium white. Once I've roughly covered the background in paint, I'm just going to blend it a little by moving the brush back and forth and get this gradient from blue to light blue to purple. So for the next step, I'm going to use a semi-dry wool brush, and I want to blend it by kind of like moving it around in different directions to spread the paint so that it kind of blends it and spreads the whole paint a little bit more evenly, and it removes that brush stroke line where just now was just left to right, and then you get a kind of like a more even and blended finish. Next, I'm going to be painting the bush in the background. I'm going to be using another wool brush for this just to get that texture, but a smaller one instead. I'm using Mighty's green mixed with dark blue, and don't mind the bush right now, it just looks a bit odd. I just want to get the shape of it, and then we're going to be painting these white fences over it. We'll continue to touch up on the bush later, but right now we're going to paint these fences first. And they're supposed to be white fences, but the colors that we're going to be using are pale grey mixed with a little bit of portrait tone and just like a little hint of blue. And we're going to mix it all together, and we're going to paint these fences by dragging the paint downwards. So on the left side of each fence, supposedly where the light is coming from, we're going to paint a thin white line downwards. And on the right side of the fence, where the light won't be shining upon, we're going to be painting and shaping it in dark purple mixed with cobalt blue. So we're going to repeat this for each of the fences. As we move from left to right, we're going to thicken the white line, the white part, and we're going to thin this purple part because of the angles of it. Once that is done, we're going to add a little bit of texture on these wooden fences by using a very thin brush. So I'm using like a size 000 brush for this, and I'm just going to mix titanium white with a little bit of portrait tone and drag it downwards in small little arches to create the texture of wood. So the next step, we're going to work over the bush. We're going to be giving it a little bit more of a leafy texture and sort of reshape it. We're going to be painting individual leaves by using the tip of a round tip brush in size 0. So we're going to use the tip of it, and I'm going to dip it in dark green. If not mistaken, this is Mighty's green. We're just going to like dab it over what we've painted earlier, the base of it, and we're going to kind of like branch it out across the fence that we've painted on earlier. So this is why we paint the fence after the first layer of the bush, and then now we can kind of like get the bush to wrap around the fence and add another dimension to it. So once we've covered the first layer in dark green leaves, then we're going to paint the second layer. I'm going to add light green with a little bit of dark green, so it's a lighter shade of green, and we're going to add another layer of leaves, but this time facing the direction of where the light is supposed to be. So with the second layer right now, what we're going to do is we're kind of like sculpting the shape of the bush. So when we add more light green over here, we create like a little bump, and it won't make it look so flat. So to make sure what we're doing is that we're just going to add little light leaves on the facing to the left where the light's supposed to be, and only like little sections here and there. We're not going to be covering the whole thing in this second layer of light green. This part is actually quite therapeutic. You're kind of like building it step by step, layer by layer, to create the shape that you really want. And then for the third layer, I'm just going to use light green without mixing it with dark green, and I'm going to continue to add more like little dots of leaves, but this time less. And then after that, I'm going to add a few flowers. I'm just going to like dot it. Originally I thought I wanted to paint roses, but I'm going to give it a break today, so I'm just going to paint simple little dots of flowers in magenta, a bit of purple mixed with pink and white. And once that is done, I'm going to add my final layer of leaves. I'm going to mix lemon yellow with light green, and this time just add even smaller specks of leaves around the flowers. I would say this final touch are probably just the extra highlights to really bring out the shape of this bush and to complete the whole foliage. So I just want to kind of like sprinkle this on top of what I've already painted on, the light part. And this layer of leaves are going to be the smallest, so I'm just going to use the tip of the paintbrush and do these little tiny dots, and once this is done, it is finished. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. It's very simple and pretty fun to paint. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.